So before this video gets started, if you were an Uber or Lyft driver and you want to make up to an extra $100 per month, you can now use the link below to sign up for Play Octopus, and they will send you this box for free. And they're pretty much nationwide now, so you can sign up. And this is what they send you. They send you a tablet for you to put in the back of your headrest so your passengers can play games on it. Or they can just sit there and look at the ads. They don't even have to play the games. And you as a driver make extra money simply by putting this in your car for free. So if you're a driver for Uber and your Lyft, you have to get Play Octopus now. There's free money waiting for you. So use the link below to sign up. You won't regret it. Now let's get started with the video. All right guys, so now we are talking about, here are 15 things that every Uber and Lyft driver should keep in their car. So if you drive for Uber and Lyft, here are 15 things. And we'll have links below to a lot of these items too, with the best prices on how to get these things. Okay, So number one, business expense and mileage app.
Yeah, Solo is a great app for that. See Solo, plus the guaranteed pay.
Solo, yeah guys, they will track your expenses and your miles for tax deductions. You need to have one of those. If you don't, whew, it's not good.
Yeah.
Number two, dash cam.
Yeah, dash cam is super important for safety, or if you get deactivated, it can provide proof if you were like falsely accused of something.
Yes, gotta have that evidence, guys.
Yeah, make sure you have one that records the inside and the outside of your car.
Yeah, so if somebody crashes into you, you're covered. Okay, Play Octopus, guys. Number three. I wonder what Play Octopus is. Oh, got it right here, guys. Guys, if you drive for Uber and Lyft, you need to have this. I'm serious. Get it right now. Link below. You'll get a free. I should do a quick unboxing. We should do an unboxing. Just some ASMR.
Yeah. That's really nice.
What?
Oh, I froze again.
Yeah, you did.
Whatever.
I feel like this is like premium content, honestly. Should we do a rideshare? Yeah. We should do a rideshare ASMR channel. Just like... Okay, guys, so this is the Play Octopus tablet. So when you sign up with the link below, if you're an active Uber or Lyft driver, they'll send you one of these. And you put it in your car, and your passengers can play games on it. They can play trivia games. And you... I should have this charged. I'm sorry, guys. It's dead because it's not in my car, obviously. But basically, it comes with these little straps. And you put it on your headrest. And you, as a driver, make up to $100 extra per month. And they have so many drivers doing it now, like, because they basically expanded to almost every major market in the country. So I'll put it this way: I'd be shocked if you didn't qualify. And they've recently expanded too, so go check and make sure you have it. But yeah, Play Octopus. Check out link below. Sign up. Next one. Here, you want to call me back? Because it's kind of freaking me out that you're not moving. Okay. Number 4 is a hands-free cell phone mount. So you can use a cell phone mount for a GPS. I've also seen people do it, put these little things up and putting a tablet up there.
Oh.
For GPS, so they can see better.
That's cool.
Cell phone charging block, obviously to charge your phone and your passengers too. But I mean, to be honest, I have my phone charger, and if passengers want to use it for the ride, it's enough. I'll have enough charge because mine's constantly being charged to like, I can just charge it back when like the ride's over. I've never had an issue with that. I don't think you need a charging block. I'll have to say that.
Yeah.
Aux cords. Yeah, most cars have Bluetooth now, so I don't think you really need. I don't really know any like newer cars that have aux cords. Do you?
Um, Not really. I mean, at least with my car, I have to plug my phone in to use CarPlay,
Yeah.
and then that's how I like play the music or whatever.
You know what though? You know what I have to say for all this
But
is, you know how like just a few hundred years ago or a couple thousand years ago, humans were like just kicking rocks, kicking around rocks, walking around like there's no
yeah,
phones or nothing. And now we just have now Bluetooth. Like how they create Bluetooth? Like you know what I mean? It's like before it was like we barely know how to talk or just, like now Bluetooth.
yeah, it's crazy.
Like how do you just oh here let me Apple Pay like oh what? I'm sorry, but what? Like you were just discovering fire a few hundred years ago, and now all of a sudden, oh, let me just tap my phone. I'm sorry, what?
Yeah, the evolution of technology is just insane.
I feel like it's not like I feel like it's part of the plan. Like I feel like it doesn't make sense.
Elation.
Yeah, because how in the world we're just like, oh, let me freaking discover fire, and then all of a sudden, oh, Bluetooth, cell phones, like, hello, like where you guys are watching me now, like, it doesn't make no sense. Air freshener is number 7. I would say be light on the air fresheners, and honestly, you probably don't need one.
Yeah,
Like,
I don't like. They make me feel car sick.
yeah, same. Like, the only thing I would, you know what you can't get though? Oof. I'll put a link below to this one, guys, because it's one of my favorite products that I use as an Uber Lyft driver. Let me look it up real quick on Amazon. It's a charcoal bag. Charcoal bag, air. It's like it basically absorbs air. Yeah, here. Let me put you onto this real quick. I won't gatekeep this to you guys, but basically you can get one of these bags, and it's an odor absorber. So it like because it's highly concentrated charcoal, it like sucks up odors. So like you won't like it won't your car won't smell anymore.
Hmm.
Cuz I had to do this cuz I bought my car from somebody who like their dog literally was like in their car all the time and they smoked. So like I got my car detailed, it still smelled like dog after, and so I got a few of these and it actually cleared it like surprisingly enough. Yeah. Because I was trying everything. Paper towels, cleaning supplies. Yeah, paper towels, you'd be surprised how many times, like, somebody spills something and you just need to wipe it up real quick. Like, nothing too
Yeah.
bad, but, like, maybe they spill, like, their lemonade or something, and you're like, oh, you just need to wipe it up real quick. It's not, like, going to ruin your car. Or even, like, water. Some people spill
Yeah,
water.
people usually bring coffee in their Ubers all the time.
Yeah, or, like, I don't know. Just it's nice to have that. Or even if somebody is freaking they have a runny nose, like you'd be surprised. Like paper towels come in handy a lot. Or
Yeah.
if you as a driver you're drinking coffee, you spill, like I'd say that's more likely is that because I as an Uber driver, like I'm always sipping on coffee because it kind of like entertains me in a sense. Like I'm like, oh, I can just sip my coffee while I drive and it feels less like
Yeah, the oral fixation.
yeah. So I noticed that I would like spill coffee here and there, so it's nice to have like paper towels.
Yeah.
Towel for service dogs. Yeah, so if you drive Uber and Lyft, you have to accept service animals. Like it's a law. And if you reject them, you it could be like it's
You get deactivated.
you get deactivated, but I also think it's like technically breaking a law. Like it's the American with Disabilities Act. Like you cannot deny somebody because they have if they have a service animal. Like you even if you're allergic, you can't deny them because of that.
Oh,
You cannot discriminate against somebody who has a service animal. Like it's your duty to accept them.
but if you're highly allergic, wouldn't that law be discriminating against you?
No, because like it's the American with Disabilities Act law that was passed. And if you have a really bad allergy, you probably shouldn't be driving for Uber. Like, because this is part of your job requirements. You get it? It's like, it's part of the job requirements is you will have to accept dogs at certain times.
Oh, okay.
If people have a legitimate disability, like, and they need a dog. I'm not talking about an emotional support dog. That's not even like, that has no application to the American with Disabilities Act. Emotional support animals, people are just, whatever, they get a little form, and then that's not a disability. In most cases, maybe some cases, but like the main disabilities are usually people who are blind. They're blind and they need a dog to assist them to get around in life. I think that's the main case, but there are other disabilities too that I don't want to discount. So just...
Epileptic.
What's that?
If you're epileptic.
Okay. Yeah, just look into this, guys, especially if if you think that might be an issue for you. Sanitary wipes, vomit bags. Gosh. I've never had somebody throw up in my car. And usually if somebody is sick, honestly, you can kind of just be like, all right, I'm pulling over. But if you're on a freeway, I mean, man, that could be bad. Rideshare insurance.
Yeah.
First aid kit. Yeah, first aid kit is definitely handy. If somebody gets a cut, you don't want them to be spilling blood in your backseat. Water bottles.
Yeah, true.
Water bottles, I would not offer somebody water bottles. For yourself, yes. In today's day and age where everybody's suing everybody, I would not be handing out water bottles. Somebody's like, oh my God, I cut my lip on your water bottle. Like, I don't know. There's too much risk now with handing out free stuff. Yeah. You hand out candy, someone's like, it was expired and I have food poisoning. Pay my hospital bill. Like, I just would not even want to risk handing out candies. Spare tire. Every car should have a spare tire. If you don't have a spare tire in your car,
you should have that.
Yeah, if you just have a car, it should have a spare tire in there, as well as a flat kit. If you don't know how to change your own, if you don't know how to put on a spare tire, go on YouTube right now. Watch a 10-minute video on how to, you know what, guys? You know what? Look at this. Hold up. Stall them for a second.
Oh.
I have a video for you guys. You ready for this?
Did you make it about changing your tire?
Look at this. I made a video, 13 minutes long, how to change a flat tire for beginners. It's very easy. You just need a little car jack. Every car has these. Oh, my tire is actually underneath my car. So mine's kind of interesting, but that's because it's like a SUV. But yeah, you get the little jack, and you just put it up here, you crank it, and... Okay, I'm not going to do the whole thing, but anybody can do this. You don't need to be a mechanic to change a tire. You can do it in 10 minutes. Again, quick shout out to our sponsor, Play Octopus. Again, if you're an Uber or Lyft driver and you want to make an extra up to $100 per month, you can use the link below and they'll send you your free tablet to put in your car, and you as a driver get to make extra money. Use the link below. Talk to you guys soon.